When people hear the word yacht, they usually imagine something that only billionaires can afford. Massive floating mansions owned by celebrities, tech moguls, and royalty. But here's something surprising. You don't actually need millions of dollars to own a yacht in the United States. Yes, you heard that right. There are yachts available for around $100,000 that still deliver luxury, comfort, and an incredible experience on the water. And for many people, this price point is the sweet spot where luxury meets reality. In this video, we're exploring what a $100,000 yacht in the United States actually looks like, what features it comes with, and why many boat lovers consider this price range one of the best entries into the world of luxury boating. First, let's talk about what qualifies as a yacht. A lot of people think yachts must be giant 200-foot vessels like the ones billionaires own in Monaco. In reality, the term yacht can apply to boats that are around 30 to 60 feet long. These vessels are designed not just for transportation, but for leisure, comfort, and luxury on the water. A $100,000 yacht typically falls into the category of mid-size cruising yachts. Many of them are between 30 and 40 feet long, which is the perfect size for weekend adventures, coastal cruising, and entertaining friends. One popular example in this price range is the Sea Ray Sundancer series. This yacht is well known across the United States for combining style, performance, and comfort. At around 34 to 38 feet long, the Sundancer gives owners the feeling of owning a floating luxury apartment. From the outside, the design already feels premium. The sleek white body, stainless steel railings, and wide deck instantly make it look like something far more expensive. Step on board and the experience becomes even more impressive. The rear deck area usually features comfortable seating, a small table for drinks, and sometimes even a mini outdoor kitchen or grill. This is the perfect place to relax while anchored near a beach or watching the sunset on the water. Move inside the cabin and you'll quickly realize why people call these boats floating homes. The interior often includes a full lounge area with soft leather seating, a dining table, and large windows that bring in natural light from the ocean. Many yachts in this price range also come with a compact but fully functional kitchen. You'll typically find a refrigerator, microwave, stove, sink, and storage cabinets for food and drinks. This means you can spend an entire weekend on the water without needing to return to shore. Further inside, you usually find a comfortable bedroom area. Some models include a master sleeping space at the front of the yacht and an additional sleeping area toward the middle. Altogether, many of these yachts can comfortably sleep 4 to 6 people. There is also a private bathroom, often called the head in boating terms. Despite the smaller space, these bathrooms often include a sink, toilet, and even a small shower. For many first-time yacht owners, this level of comfort is more than enough to create unforgettable experiences on the water. But a yacht isn't just about luxury. Performance matters too. Most $100,000 yachts in the United States come equipped with powerful twin engines. Depending on the model, these boats can reach speeds between 25 and 40 miles per hour. That's more than enough to cruise along the coastline, explore nearby islands, or simply enjoy the thrill of moving across the open water. Modern navigation systems also make operating these boats much easier than people expect. GPS navigation, radar systems, depth finders, and digital dashboards help captains navigate safely even in unfamiliar waters. Another major advantage of yachts in this price range is the incredible versatility they offer. Owners can use them for fishing trips, family vacations, weekend getaways, sunset cruises, or even small celebrations with friends. Imagine inviting a few close friends for a weekend escape. You leave the marina on a Friday afternoon, cruise along the coastline, drop anchor near a quiet island, cook dinner on the deck, and fall asleep with the sound of waves around you. Experiences like that are exactly why so many people fall in love with boating. Of course, owning a yacht also comes with responsibilities. Maintenance, marina fees, fuel costs, and insurance are all part of the ownership experience. In the United States, annual maintenance for a yacht around this size can range from a few $1,000s to over $10,000 depending on how often it's used. But compared to multi-million-dollar superyachts, the operating costs are far more manageable. That's why many boating enthusiasts say the $100,000 range is the gateway into real yacht ownership. Another interesting thing is that many yachts at this price point are actually pre-owned vessels that originally cost 2 or 3 times more when they were brand new. Luxury boats tend to depreciate significantly in their early years. This creates an opportunity for buyers to step into high-quality yachts at a fraction of their original price. In other words, a yacht that once sold for $300,000 might now be available for close to $100,000 while still offering incredible quality and luxury. This is one of the secrets experienced boat buyers know. They focus on well-maintained used yachts instead of buying brand-new vessels. In places like Florida, California, and Miami, the used yacht market is especially active. Many owners upgrade to larger boats over time, which means smaller luxury yachts frequently become available at attractive prices. And because the United States has one of the largest boating cultures in the world, there are thousands of marinas, coastal routes, and boating communities that support this lifestyle. For some people, owning a yacht is not just about luxury. It's about freedom. Freedom to escape crowded cities. Freedom to explore hidden beaches and islands. Freedom to experience the ocean in a completely different way. And at around $100,000, that dream becomes surprisingly achievable for many people who love the water. So while billionaires may own yachts worth hundreds of millions of dollars, the truth is that the world of yachting is far more accessible than most people think. With the right research, patience, and passion for the ocean, a $100,000 yacht can open the door to unforgettable adventures and a lifestyle that once seemed reserved only for the ultra-rich. And sometimes, the most valuable part of owning a yacht isn't the boat itself. It's the memories you create while sailing across open water, watching the sun disappear over the horizon, and realizing that luxury isn't always about how much something costs, but about the experiences it gives you.